Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. This is about creating pop under campaigns. And JuicyAds is one of the best pop under ads out there for specifically just adult marketing in general, which is the cheapest traffic in the world. And if you know what you're doing, you can crush it. So with Smartlinks, let's talk about this. Crakrevenue has a Smartlink generator here. Here's what we could do. We could select global adult, etc., etc. We could do all sorts of stuff, but they have an option here. They have either dating or global adult or cams. Global adult is what you want to do. Okay, now if you want to just do dating, that's great. Dating will convert better than cams with paid ads, in my opinion. Is you can do pop unders by default and earn extra earnings. That's the cool thing about a Smartlink and any offer on Crakrevenue. Crakrevenue is a great network. I mean, you can make a lot of money with Crakrevenue if you don't see right there. Back offers and pop unders have made me a lot of extra money just by having them turned on. People will click the back button, go convert on more offers. There's going to be pop unders. You're selling traffic left and right. And when you do global adult, what happens is it's cheaper than anything because you're literally getting in front of the whole world. You're going to monetize everywhere. So here's how you do it. Now, I used to use JuicyAds at one point. Nowadays, I use more of PlugRush, ExoClick, Propeller ads, okay, for all my pop under campaigns, mainly Propeller ads. So that now JuicyAds is really good. It's a very powerful network. If you don't see here, you could do direct media buys. I mean, you could put your ad on a site like this right here. If you have an offer that you believe will convert really well with this traffic, you're going to get 4,000 clicks on average per day. And to directly buy, it's like $500, but on average, that is 2 cents per click. And so it's like, what do you want to do? You know, you got to look for the opportunities here because you can literally buy up opportunities right here, but that's not pop under. Those are really mainly banner ads. Sometimes they're pop under. You have to look more in depth on those. But what we really want to do is we want to go over here to pop under campaigns. Then you want to choose a country now. Multi-country campaigns are available after initial setup. Once you click United States, let's say, you have to agree to all this stuff, and yes, Smartlinks are allowed. You can go ahead and set your budget, all this stuff. Your budget can be 100 a day, and then you're like, okay, here's my Smartlink right here, boom. So there's your Smartlink. Full listings, the price by country you can look at. Full options available after approval. So what you do, guys, is you select United States, and then you get approved. You just have to have some money inside of the account here. Okay, I don't have any right now since I'm not running with them. But JuicyAds is a powerful network. I do recommend it a lot. Definitely worth it because there's not much competition at all with JuicyAds. So it's one of the cheapest by far out there. After you're approved, you get to basically target worldwide. Once they've approved it, you can go ahead and have full options available, and you can contact them, and they respond very, very fast. I remember when I was running ads with them, I mean, they were like on the ball. They were answering super fast. Okay, it's crazy. The other thing is carrier and device type and all the stuff you could basically do. You can manage your ads over here super easily. You can contact them quickly right here. You can easily deposit funds with PayPal or a debit card or anything like that. You could sell ads. So if you literally have ad spots to sell, you can do that. Here's the whole strategy, guys. Basically, you're paying for traffic and you're sending it to a link that's smart enough to know what offer and offers that the person sent might convert on. And then at the same time, you're making extra earnings from just the pop unders and the back redirects, okay, which happen a lot. So you're making a ton of extra money, basically breaking even in a way with the pop unders and the back button redirects. As if this is worldwide so cheap. If you're breaking even just off that, the thing is you get extra profits just from the offers that are uniquely sent to people right here. Global adult. It could be anything they're sending. They just believe the person will convert on it and you crush it. This is a very smart link. And it works. Okay, so this method is going to make a lot of people rich. It requires split testing. It requires testing different areas. Sometimes you want to use a tracker, but the cheapest you can get the traffic that's quality, you'll crush it. Test this one, and this one with whatever traffic network you're using, whether it be PlugRush, ExoClick, freaking JuicyAds. I'll completely do this for you with my done for you advertising service. Check it out. Peace out.